Dear viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. Now I'm going to show you how to make South African bunny chow. First of all, we're going to toast our cumin, coriander and cumin. We put some bay leaf, cardamom and cinnamon. We're going to toast it and then we're going to grind it. Now in the pan we're going to add some oil. We put our meats to seal them. Now we're going to add our onions. We're going to add salt to that, little pepper, viewers. Now we need chopped tomatoes. We're going to need potatoes, we're going to need paprika, turmeric, coriander, cumin, chilli, and you remember that spices we've been toasted, we grind them. That's the garam masala basically. So now we're going to add all the spices together. Although we got garlic paste and ginger paste, that's going to go to our curry as well. At first we're going to put our garlic and ginger. Or chopped tomatoes. Now add our turmeric. Cumin. Coriander. Garam masala. Chili powder, and this is paprika. Now we're going to add our potatoes. Now we're going to add our water. Then we're going to cover it. Viewers, my curry is ready. Now we're going to serve it. For bunny chow, we need a bread. We'll show you how to slice them, how to cut them. Viewers, we slice them in the middle. You see, viewers, how we done that. Now we're going to put the curries in the middle. Look. Viewers, that's my curry. Viewers, look at that, how beautiful they look. That's my beautiful, wonderful bunny chow. Viewers, wonderful and beautiful bunny chow. Enjoy and bon appetit. South African bunny chow. Enjoy.